हर घर तिरंगा, मेरी माटी मेरा देश, वसुधा वंदन, अमृत सरोवर लपेन कपथुआ हिन कांगथुर ponji aphanpura kidam tang pai pai ni phai kre hiniarni West Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Krishna Barua pen pherangke amai along pangdak pon aning kanwang ason se pening le thota mesen pen ingdeng troxike pra troxy Independence Day katalon along Har Ghar Tiranga mate hemahum tin along anparda gari motor along aman ki pipen det pialama ke tar ponji aphan West Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Krishna Barua pen pangdak pon Bangso hut Meri Mati Mera Des katalon ponji aphan pai pai ni phai kre thom arni thing piaklim ki asai deng ponji Assam Government pen Sports and Youth Welfare Department pen setame khel maharan pa men biponsi rong atok anu pen kapathu ahin aning ke hang lapen ke thega tuma phan ingwaisi ke kat kachebai football volleyball lapen kabaddi kapathu asai deng ponsi angsong an ke ponji aphan barsai thupon lo
We have informed the Education Department and they have circulated the message to children. We have to flash these messages regarding this Har Ghar Tiranga so that we host the flag in our homes like last year's and we give proper respect to the flag.
Football kapathu long sarmar sarpimar arta ningkan krisir kepen aber lapen ningkan krisir kepen athak hini kethak padosi kapathu padoji MAC level abang ni krep ho mate phai konia chiklo ni phai isi pen krep ho an LAC level ni krep ho mate phai koni ni phai kora troxy pen mati jong ni phai kep surihini rain kor ke thom an padupon po LAC along kapathu ke ha abang phu mate ateranga tumsi state level khel maharana long chepati dunlong poposi West Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Krishna Barua pen pherangke amai ke phalong lamthi jaipon
about few significant programs that is being organized by Government of Assam and Government of India. First of all, I would like to apprise you what kind of programs that is going on for this significant program that is Meri Mati Mera Desh. For this, I think most of you have known about this program. We are having Silafalakam in 12 schools where the names of the brave hearts of this district is been inscribed on the plates. Then we will be having Basudha Bandhan on 13th, then Biroka Bandhan and 14th and 15th. Then we will be having the central functions, and you know that lot of Amrit Sarobars have been constructed. Around 25 Amrit Sarobars are constructed in our district. So on that day, on 15th, we will be hosting the national flag in those Amrit Sarobars also.
Hamren pen Daniel Hi Karbi Anglong live